When an incident occurs, all personnel, members, volunteers, and employees are required to take immediate action appropriate for the incident. Verbally report the incident immediately to your manager, supervisor, or president, and complete the incident report form. Once the manager or supervisor is informed of the incident, they will assess the incident consequence level. Based on the consequence level of the incident, they will escalate the incident to the appropriate manager or supervisor, then record this information on the incident report form. There are 4 consequence levels: minor, moderate, major, and critical. Let's start with some examples of minor incidents. A minor injury, such as a sprained ankle, or a cut or illness requiring first aid or medical attention, like dehydration. A broken window, which may have a short-term impact on operations. Localized adverse media, such as a negative story in a local newspaper. A motor vehicle accident, resulting in minor damage and no injury. Here are some examples of moderate incidents. An injury requiring immediate medical attention or hospitalization, or a serious near miss. A compliance incident, which results in fines or warning letters from funding bodies or regulators. Adverse local media directly aimed at the society, which could damage our reputation. Minor verbal abuse or physical abuse towards personnel. Here are some examples of major incidents. Major injury, resulting in hospitalization and possibly permanent disability. Significant damage to property, such as serious water damage. Suspected or threatened abuse, neglect, or serious misconduct by personnel. Serious verbal or physical assault towards personnel. Finally, here are some examples of critical incidents. The death of a person. Abuse, either physical, sexual or verbal, neglect or serious misconduct towards the people we assist, by personnel. Serious violence or abuse towards personnel. Emotional or psychological trauma caused by a traumatic event. Serious damage to buildings, which has a major impact on operations. A natural disaster, bomb threat or fire. Unauthorized disclosure or loss of personal information. National adverse media coverage, causing significant damage to reputation and donor trust. Major fraud or identity theft which affects the society or the people we assist. Once again, remember that it is the responsibility of the manager or supervisor to decide on the consequence level of the incident. A more comprehensive list can be found in the Incident Management Policy.